Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to design advanced brand guidelines for your business using Canva, step by step, so your branding stays consistent across all platforms and materials. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, type Brand Guidelines or Brand Kit in the search bar. You'll see templates designed specifically to organize colors, fonts, logos, and visual elements. Choose one that matches the style and professionalism of your business. Open the template in the editor. Start with your brand logo. Upload it using the Uploads tab and place it on the cover or a dedicated logo page. Then, define your brand colors. Canva allows you to set a color palette that will appear across all designs, making it easy to maintain consistency. Next, select your brand fonts, add primary and secondary fonts, and show examples of headings, subheadings, and body text. You can also include examples of spacing, alignment, and iconography. This helps anyone using the brand assets understand how to apply them correctly. After that, add visuals or sample designs that represent your brand style. Include social media templates, email graphics, or business cards to illustrate proper usage. Keep the layout clean and professional so it's easy to follow. Once your brand guideline document is complete, click Share or Download. PDF print works best if you want to distribute it to your team or partners. And yeah, that's it. With Canva, you can create comprehensive brand guidelines that protect your brand identity and make your business look polished. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.